Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Coinbase wallet only way. Start by downloading the official app and confirming the developer identity, then open it to begin setup. Create a unique email, a complex password, and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Write the recovery phrase exactly as shown, store it offline in a safe place, and practice restoring once to ensure your backup works. Set up your account with security first by choosing a unique email and verifying it, then create a complex password and store it safely. Enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app, not SMS, to reduce risk. Write down the 12 or 24-word recovery phrase exactly as shown, store it offline, and avoid photos or cloud backups to keep funds safe. Test account access and practice restoring on a spare device to ensure the backup works in emergencies. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Quick recommendation: a book I love for financial clarity is The Simple Path to Wealth, which explains investing in plain language and long-term thinking. It pairs well with learning crypto basics because mindset matters as much as wallets. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab it if curious. Enjoy! Now let's get back to the video. Receive crypto by copying your wallet address or scanning the QR code. Double-check the first and last characters to avoid errors. When sending, paste the recipient address carefully, choose the correct network, and review gas fees before confirming. Start with a small test transfer to verify accuracy, then send the full amount once confirmed. Keep records of transactions for taxes and personal tracking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.